nice and cheap.
I hate that itchy. Don't want itchy. Don't get all itchy. Hey, itchy. Don't want them.
How do you know that they're itchies?
Because don't get my skin. What? Shit. Yeah, itchy. Itchy. Ooh, itchy. Yeah, itchy poo poo.
You don't like to itch?
No. I would like if all those were Melaleuca, I would like them. But some are itchy. Even itchy for dogs and cats. We don't need none for cats. We not get by that. Ketchup.
If you want to learn more and also have a much healthier and safer household for your family, just contact me. Remember, you are a parent, you are a leader, and your children are followers.